Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you how to make toilet bowls. With their help you can easily clean the toilet from dirt and eliminate all unpleasant odors. Take a container and pour 7 tablespoons of baking soda into it. This amount will make 3 large cleaning bowls. Next we will need 2 tablespoons of liquid soap. The color and aroma of the bowls will depend on the soap. After adding the soap, you need to mix it very well with the baking soda. At this stage the mess should be crumbly, then you need to adjust the consistency with alcohol. I use 96% alcohol. By the way, who doesn't know, you can get the plug using the lid. Now pour alcohol into the mixture little by little and stir. One tablespoon was enough for me. This is the mess you should get. You don't need to pour in a lot of alcohol because it will start to stick or become too liquid. Now you need to make cleaning bowls from it. I roughly divide the mess into 3 parts and make 3 large bowls. If you want, you can make the bowls a little smaller. These are the toilet cleaning bowls that we got. They don't crumble and don't stick to your hands. Leave them in a cool place for 1 hour to dry out a bit. Using the bowls is very simple. Before leaving for work or for the night, take one, squeeze it a little so that it crumbles, and distribute it around the toilet. When time has passed, the toilet should be cleaned as usual with a brush. All dirt, yellow plaque and unpleasant odors are perfectly removed. After such cleaning, your toilet will be white and disinfected again. If you have hard or rusty water and plaque quickly accumulates inside the toilet, then I recommend that you make cleaning bowls with citric acid. You can find a detailed video in the end. Place the remaining bowls in a container with a lid and use as needed. That's how easy it is, friends, to keep your toilet clean. I hope you liked this tip. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.